JC, today is Friday at syempre pag Friday, narito na ang favorite nating segment na SSS Boss Believe Kami Sa'yo. Kung last week, JC, napag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa corporate loans, kung saan nga pinakita natin sa mga viewers natin yung kaibahan ng Business Development Fund at Social Development Fund. This morning, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa SSS Calamity Relief Package.
Lalong-lalo na at very timing ito dahil kakatapos nga lang ng bagyong Maring at Habagat. So para dyan, makakasama natin ngayong umaga si Ms. May Siriaco, ang SSS Vice President at Officer in Charge ng SSS Lending and Asset Management Division. Magandang umaga, ma'am.
Good morning, Dayan and JC. Magandang umaga sa mga taga-panood natin ngayon.
Ma'am, siguro umpisahan natin, meron tayo tinatawag na programa. Ito yung Calamity Relief Package. At para saan ito at anong ibig sabihin nito?
Okay, ang SSS kasi nag-introduce na starting last year with Typhoon Pablo, no? But this time, what makes it different is that we're trying to get an easy approval for calamities. Kasama dun sa Calamity Relief Package are 3 programs of SSS. One is what we call the SLRP, or the Salary Loan Early Renewal Program. I will explain one by one later on. And then the next component is what we call the House Repair or Improvement Loan. This is for the repair of houses that were affected by the calamity. And then finally, the 3-month advance pension for our existing pensioners. Okay. So, isa-isahin natin.
Yes,
Sige,
imahin natin
umpisahan
para
natin.
maintindihan.
Umpisahan natin dito sa SLRP.
Okay. Yung SLRP, that is what we call the Salary Loan Early Renewal Program. So this allows our members, no, especially those who have had existing loans. Karamihan kasi ng mga members ng SSS meron na talagang salary loan. So whenever a calamity happens, they hope that they can come up with another loan, yung calamity loan na tinatawag, except that we cannot offer any more calamity loans. So what we are offering instead is to allow our members to renew their salary loan without waiting for the second year is over. Kasi ang terms ngayon ng salary loan, you have to get, once you have a loan, you have 2 years to pay, and you cannot borrow in between. So what will happen under conditions of calamities, pwede silang umutang ulit without waiting for the completion of the 2-year term. And they have paid at least 50% of their existing loan. So what will happen, ibabawas lang yung existing loan dun sa bagong loan na dating. So you get the balance. Ang kagandahan nito, we have reduced the terms. Ibig sabihin nito, kasi ngayon, starting December last year, we already implemented what we call the diminishing balance interest. So, hindi tulad dati na straight interest yan babawas in one time, ano? So, or over 2 years. So, ito naman, ang interest will only be applied to the balance of the loan. So, lumiliit ngayon yung balance every time you make a payment. So, what will happen with the under SLRP, lalaki ngayon yung proceeds mo from the loan na makukuha mo under the program.
Pero Ms. May, magkano po yung amount under po dito sa SLRP?
Okay, they will still be qualified for a 1-month loan if you have 36 months paid. Diba?
Monthly contribution.
Oo, so at least 3 years paid. Dapat within the last year, updated yung payments mo.
Meron pa po ba, besides sa pagiging miyembro ng SSS, meron pa po bang iba tong kailangan application for SLRP? Mag-apply po ba sa
Okay,
sila dito?
yun nga, you have to complete 36 months for a 1-month loan of 15,000 or up to 30,000 for a 2-month loan equivalent. Ang kailangan lang dito, aside from reducing or deducting the existing loan from the new loan, you have to have at least certification from the barangay that you were affected by the calamity. And you're, of course, residing in the calamity-stricken areas.
Pero may service fee po ba to sa ilalim ng SLRP?
Yun nga, the other thing that we're doing now for under the SLRP, we will be waiving the 1% service fee that is usually deducted from a regular loan.
At actually, yun nga, nasabi na ni Ms. May, barangay certificate lang ang kailangan for this package. Pero Ms. May, meron bang deadline? Kunyari, after nung bagyo, hanggang kailan ako pwede mag-file ng
They have
calamity
until,
relief?
yeah, they have until October 31 to
Okay.
file their SLRP under the calamity relief. That is for Maring and Habagat. I
Okay.
forgot to mention, we're introducing this for both affected by Maring, Habagat, and Labuyo. And for those who are affected by Labuyo, they have until September 31st
Okay.
to apply their calamity loans.
Okay, so
Calamity relief pala,
medyo
sorry.
malapit na yon. So
Oo.
sana ay gamitin itong pagkakataon ng ating mga boss.
Pero paalala lang, dun sa mga SSS members natin, dun lamang, ito ay applicable lamang po dun sa mga may calamity na area. So, hindi pwede dun sa mga hindi. At saka dapat may 36 months na monthly contribution.
For a 1-month loan. Now, those who have at least 72 months, you
Mas pwede pang mas
mas malaki. You can borrow up to 30,000.
Okay.
Kamusta naman po? Ito namang pangalawa nating programa na tinatawag na House Repair and Improvement Loan Program.
Okay, ito namang house repair, we don't normally give direct housing loan except for house repair and housing loans for OFWs and trade union. Ito naman, we're opening this up for calamity victims, no? They have up to 400,000 to make a loan, no? And we will waive the 3,000 service fee.
Okay.
And of course, I mentioned earlier, we will reduce the interest rates from 8% to 6%. Ito yung mga, syempre, natanggalan ng bubong, di ba, nabaha yung ground floor nila, minsan, ang description sa amin, namaga daw yung kahoy, and then it's no longer parang livable because affected sila talaga ng pagkabaha.
Pero Ms. May, paano naman po yung process ng pag-apply para po dito sa loan na ito?
Okay, like the SLRP, no, they can go to our branches, the nearest branch to them. Actually, the first 2 days when we opened, di ba, it was a holiday on last Monday, medyo hindi pa nag-stabilize yung aming sistema. So, maraming, sabi nga nila, hindi sila hindi natanggap yung application nila. So, we are opening up already our branches for applications. And then they can also do so through the web. Our website is www.sss.gov.ph.
So, yung deadline po na application sa SLRP at dito po sa House Repair, pareho lamang po?
Yes, pareho siya.
So ano naman, ma'am, yung requirements dito sa housing loan or house repair loan?
Mas maraming ng konti yung requirements kasi you have to show the extent of the damage in the
Right.
house. You have to show the title na sa inyo nga nakapangalan yung bahay, no? And then of course,
So dapat owned, ma'am?
Oo,
Hindi
kailangan.
pwedeng, kunyari, tenant ka lang.
That's
or
right. Kasi ano yun parang magiging collateral yung bahay.
Alright.
Yung title while the loan is going.
Okay. Imo-mortgage din yung bahay.
Yes. It's still a mortgage, house mortgage loan. So
Okay.
to speak.
Ito naman pong ikatlong programa under sa SSS Calamity Relief Package. Ano naman po ito?
Ito naman for our pensioners. Siyempre, may mga pensionado rin tayo na apektuhan. Ano. These are for those who are receiving retirement, disability, and survivor. Ito yung mga nabiyuda o ng mga miyembro. No? So, they can avail of a 3-month advance pension. Ito yung, if they apply up to, the deadline is also October 31st.
So,
no?
pare-pareho po.
Pare-pareho. They can get their November, December, and January 2014 pensions in advance.
Alright. Miss May, just to be clear, you mentioned nabiyuda dapat or nabiyuda?
Oo, kasi yung mga members ng SSS na naiwan
Okay.
nung namatay na member.
Okay.
So they are entitled to a lifetime pension for the spouse, basta hindi sila nag-aasawa ulit, no? And for children who are less than 21 years old, entitled din sila sa pension ng namatay na member.
Para po dun sa mga pensioners, paano po yung pag-apply nila para yung advance release ng kanilang pension? Paano po? Same rin po ba dun sa dalawang programa natin na they will just go to any SSS office?
Yes, and bring the barangay certification.
So, barangay certificate pa lang
importante yung barangay certification because it will prove that they live in that area that was affected by the calamity. At the same din sila. Kasi minsan, hindi naman sila talaga naapektuhan ng calamity. So, we will still give preference to those who were really affected by the calamity.
When you say, JC, na naapektuhan ng calamity, in terms of paano po, bahang-baha, hanggang saan po, sa tuhod po ba?
Hindi, kasi
Naapektuhan yung bahay?
iba yung degree ng naapektuhan. Meron talagang mataas ang bahay. They were not able to buy items when they were affected by the calamity, di ba? Pero kailangan mo ipagawa yung or hindi mo kailangan din yung house repair, pero may mga nasirang electrical appliances, di ba? Something that you will need to kumbaga repair or
Ano to, Miss May? This is subject for approval pa rin ng SSS. Kunyari, nag-submit yung mga, kunyari na ano sila sa calamity, na pinsala sila, papakita nila yung mismong pictures, let's say, pati barangay certificate. Yung iba, kino-consider agad ng SSS or meron kayong standard na sinusunod?
hindi naman. Basta once they have that barangay certification and that
Okay
the
na
proof,
yun.
okay na yun.
Itong certification ba, ma'am? Merong form?
Hindi. We don't have any standard for. Basta may certification lang that
So,
they are a resident of the barangay and they were affected by
So
the
basta,
calamity.
kunyari, pwede mag-type na lang yung
Oo.
alert doon sa barangay.
Tama yun, tama
Okay.
yun.
Besides barangay certificate, what are the other documents needed?
Yun na lang. Of course, they need their SSS ID to present as proof of identification, di ba? And then the form, of course, that they need to fill up.
So ayan, paalala po sa mga miyembro natin na mag-a-avail nitong SSS Calamity Relief Package GC, October 30 na po ang deadline. Kailangan nila ng barangay certificate, kanilang ID, SSS number, at syempre yung
SSS
form,
card.
SSS card.
At ma'am, iniisip ko rin, kunyari, pwede bang kumuha ng dalawa o tatlo from these programs ang isang miyembro lang?
Oh yes. Hindi siya pwede mag-loan kung pensioner na siya.
Right, okay.
Yung
Okay.
dalawang programa pwedeng
Yung
sabay.
dalawang
House
program.
repair and
Oo.
slurp,
Slurp,
pwedeng
that's
ipagsabay.
right, that's right. Pero
Okay.
for the pensioners, of course, up hanggang sa 3-month loan sila.
Okay,
Yan,
so
so-
talaga namang very helpful ang SSS pagdating lalo na sa mga panahon ng kalamidad. Actually, iniisip ko nga, Miss May, every time na merong kalamidad, open ninyo itong program na ito.
Oh, thank you for asking that, JC. Alam mo, siguro compared to the previous times, no, ang ginawa ng aming Social Security Commission, yun yung pinaka-board ng SSS, no, was to give authorization to our President and CEO to approve the granting of calamity relief package. Every time there is a calamity. Kasi yung dati, you have to get board approval to implement the calamity loan or calamity relief for that matter. So ngayon, mas mabilis yung approval. Kaya nga, mabilis na implement yung Maring at saka Habagat eh.
Right.
Nag-abot siya with Labuyo. That was the weekend, remember yung long weekend of August 19, tapos di ba walang pasok a few days after. So we were just set to announce the calamity relief package for Labuyo. Tapos inabutan na nga ng Maring and Habagat.
Miss May, mas mabilis yung approval. So, mas mabilis din ho nila makukuha yung loan nila.
That's right, that's right. Kaya nga yung ano lang kami nung first few days, but eventually we're trying to stabilize things and hopefully mas mabilis na i-release ng mga loans for the members.
So, ayan. So, ang dami natin natutunan, JC, this morning. Do you have a message?
Okay, gusto ko lang paalam sa ating mga miyembro, we're celebrating our SSS anniversary next week on Monday. No? Actually, it's September 1. It's our 56th year.
Happy
Happy
50th
anniversary.
anniversary!
And yun na nga, instead of having a big celebration, we're doing this for our members. No? We're offering the calamity relief. Tapos, we're also offering a livelihood bazaar. Ito naman yung mga partners namin sa Alcancia. I talked about Alcancia a few months ago.
Yes.
Ito naman yung mga products ng mga nag-member ng Alcancia. So we're selling the products of our Alcancia participants as well as our informal sector partners. No? So yun, meron kaming ganung bazaar that we will be selling to our members at the SSS premises. So yun, and then of course, we will be announcing easier terms for our calamity relief packages. Hopefully, we can speed up things by within the next few days.
Okay, maraming salamat,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Yan po si Miss May Seriaco, ang SSS Vice President.